here at the duck stop in Phang Na. Oh my god, there are so many ducks. Look at all those chickens ponding. Look at all those chickens. Back!
Come on, guys!
With some enthusiasm.
Louder!
It's so
There you go. Lucky duck! That's good luck.
Team caught one.
Line up, line up. Louder! One, two, three, throw up!
duck stop, so sick. Pretty entertaining. For only 100,000 dong, you get, you know, like a tour for the ducks, and then you get like a free like snack and drink. So pretty worth it in my opinion.
Specifically says in here, helmet, life jacket, protects male genitals.
Nice.
Nice. Fuck.
Yeah, don't be too fat. We are here at Monkey Bridge Farm, and apparently there's like a little narrow platform that you have to bike across, and if not, you get wet because you fall. Should be a lot of fun. Me and Dana are gonna try it. I think Erica may try it. Should be fun. You think you're gonna pass it?
They're gonna look like clowns.
Bro, if I get it, I'd be so happy.
If you get it and I don't,
That'd be the best.
Shenanigans.
That'd be the best.
Shenanigans.
That would be so funny.
blasphemy.
That'd be the best. Another competition I win. Oh, there's anything wrong with it.
Dude, slow down.
Bro, sorry you're old.
No, it's like more than flip-flops. I don't got the traction you got.
Bro, I just almost ate shit. What are you talking about? Did not realize how long this pathway was. Yeah, there's no way. Oh, that dip.
I know.
That dip is gonna.
Oh wait, what are you doing? Rock,
1,
paper?
2, 3, shoot.
1, 2, 3, get. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Dang it. Alright.
Yeah, that's who knows who, huh? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Come on! You ready, go!
Oh my god, dude, that was so fun. That is so hard to control.
Dude, it looked good. Starting
dude, I know.
It looked good.
Yeah, you gotta just bail if you're gonna fall. I'm so proud of you, son. He ain't gonna make it 3 feet. Oh!
That was a good.
Yeah, teen.
Come on!
Yeah, Dean! Yeah, Dean!
Erica's going now. She's a Canadian who cycles. So we'll see how she does. If she gets it first try, I'm gonna be so upset.
Unbelievable!
How you did it easy?
Hi, Michael.
Positive energy, guy.
All the way. Come on! Come on!
Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Oh! You alright? Yeah, Teen. Third time's a charm. You got it, bud. Oh! That was amazing. Dude, that was so good. That was a great bail.
Monkey Bridge is so fun. I failed miserably. Dane failed miserably. Erica did well twice. Then she ate shit really bad. But super fun. I bet in the summer this place is packed. So we're gonna head back to the hostel now. Probably eat lunch and then probably go to a cave. We'll see.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Last time I open up, you can't roll with us.